River Pretty is the place where the most wonderful people in the entire world come together to do magic.
River Pretty is love. River Pretty is peace. River Pretty is safe.
Well, River Pretty is a safe community where, as writers, we can all gather and feel free to exercise our craft and enjoy each other's company and share wisdom and feel like we're part of something that's bigger than ourselves.
River Pretty is dollar for dollar the best value for a writer's retreat probably in the United States, if not the entire world.
I come here, I've come for a number of years and really just love this place. There's just such a feeling of beauty and camaraderie and community, and it's a gift, and I'm really grateful.
Oh man, probably like 40, 39, 40, really old.
Senior, basically senior.
Well, at least locally, like there's nowhere to go for people who are like us, like you know. So we're like, if it's possible, we're going to create something that's affordable for local people. So like in the beginning, especially, we like marketed heavily, like at Missouri State, and the big writing department and stuff like that. But sort of over time, like people just started showing up from like Kansas City and various St. Louis and other places.